Get up inside here. Kill switches I was talking about. Save your batteries. Save your batteries. There's that new cable I was talking about. This is the tuner. This is a Garmin GPS Galaxy 66 radio. Sony stereo. Kind of overhead storage, spare lights, leave my coffee maker in here. You got a bottle jack for repairs. Anything you need to do on the road, you can possibly get it done. Got some cleaning supplies left in here, fire extinguisher. Ready to ride. Full-size bed. Just has some cleaning supplies on the refrigerator. Put this over here. Refrigerator's clean. Microwave's clean. Everything's clean. This is this new for the generator. Mr. Ranch put that in there. The gauges do not work. That's the old system. They just left them up there on the board. Got some chrome over here in the back side of the bed. There's just some tissue products in here and some towels if you wanted them. Got your grill covers, screen up here. Overhead heater, air conditioner. Runs off the generator. I took the boot, put a new boot in there, and I left the trim down. Trim's right there. If you want to put some new cloth up on it, I just haven't done it yet. Shower works. I put a new shower head on it when I was running it over a year ago.